Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a backup in the 3CX Admin Console. To start, log in to 3CX. Go to the 3CX Admin Console, select the Backup tab. Press this button to back up 3CX. Type in a name of your choice. Check this box if you want to include local recordings in your backup. To encrypt this backup, check this box and enter a password. This password should only be typed in alphanumeric characters. Click on OK when you're finished. You'll receive a message that indicates that your backup is being processed. Once your backup's complete, you'll see it on the backup homepage. You could also create a scheduled backup. Press this button to schedule a backup. Enable the scheduler and set the backup to occur hourly, daily, or weekly. Set up the number of rotations. This setting defines the number of backups to keep in your system before overwriting the oldest backup. You can set it to include local recordings and set it to enable a backup encryption password as well. Congratulations! You've successfully created a backup in the 3CX Admin Console. Check back for more useful videos on 3CX as we're frequently publishing new content.